What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel Buy the Dip, guys. As you know, on this channel, we do seem to cover a lot of the bull situation for stocks. That's right. So today I wanted to flip that on you guys. Now, don't hate me here, but I wanted to do a little bear analysis on a stock. That's right, guys. I want to be a video out here for the bears. We don't hear too many YouTubers talking about being a bear on a stock. So, not necessarily saying I'm agreeing with it. I'm just going to throw a couple things out there. And I know a lot of you all are going to disagree, and that's fine. I just want to put it out there for my bears. There could be a couple out there that may appreciate this. So, guys, if you all enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. So, guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, and we're going to talk about the genius. That's right, Cathie Wood. Now, we're just going to throw this out there and see what happens. But let's see, could we be right on this? So, Cathie Wood, everyone says she's the genius. She knows what's going on. So, let's take a look at what Cathie Wood has been doing, guys, and let's see if we think that this is going to be right. So, if we look here at Tesla, man, Tesla has been on a roll. Look at this, man. In the past year, this stock is up 730%. So, is it possibly a time for 2021 for this stock to drop a little bit? Or is this stock going to keep soaring and going up to $1,000? So, where are we at here? Are we being a bull or a bear on Tesla right now? I mean, for any stock to go up 730% in 1 year, when's this thing going to drop? So, I'm proposing this here to you guys. If we look here on the ARK ETF trades, guys, take a look at what Cathie Woods and ARK Invest has been doing. Now, back in November, look how many shares they sold. November 19th, they sold 160,969 shares of Tesla back on the 19th. So let's go here and look on Robinhood. November 19th. Right there. So basically it was like $500 a share when they sold it. Now keep in mind, Cathie Wood bought this back when it was probably $40 to $50. So she was already getting, 500% on her investment at this point. So she was very happy, I'm sure, to take that money as profit, start cashing in some profit on Tesla, and to keep possibly letting this go. So if we go here then, back to the trades, you see they sold 160,000, basically 161,000 shares on November the 19th. November the 30th, they sold another 113,000 shares, guys. So if we go here to November the 30th, they sold those shares at a cost of $567 a share, guys. So they sold them on the 19th, 161,000 shares. On the 30th, they sold them here at $567. And that was 113,000 shares. So let's fast forward here. Okay, maybe they were just selling in November. No, guys, they're doing the same thing in December. Now, I know they probably have a lot of these shares, so this probably don't seem like a large amount. But if you sit there and think about these numbers, they kind of are a lot. So if we look here at December 30th, they basically sold 130,000 shares out of ARK. So let's go take a look at that price. 130,000 shares on December 30th. So right here, guys. They sold those shares for $694 a piece, guys. So they were probably getting 700 plus 600% gains on this. So I don't blame them for selling it. I mean, that is a smart investment. People will tell you when you're up 100, 200%, do not get greedy, start to take some of your profits. So I think that here is what Cathie is looking to do, taking some profits. So let's look at the next day. What did they do? They sold another 50,000 shares on the 31st. So what was the price on the 31st? Right there, $705. They sold another 50,000 shares, guys, at that price. So they sold a massive amount of Tesla shares at these November and December here, kind of like middle of November up to the end of December. I mean, let's go here and add all these up and see how much we sold. All right, guys, and as you can see, I put the amounts in here. 50,000 shares, well, 50,227,000 shares, 129,827 shares, 113,264 shares, and 160,969 shares. Guys, from the middle of November to the end of the year, they sold over 454,287 shares of Tesla. They sold almost almost as many shares of Tesla as Tesla sold cars. As you know, they were shooting for 500,000 cars for the year. And I believe they were like 5,000 or 500. It was like 500 cars or 5,000 cars short of that quota. So I think they were 500 cars short. I know my Tesla bulls out there will definitely know that, but it is crazy. They literally sold as many shares as Tesla sold cars. So ARK Investment's been unloading a lot of shares, and as you know, man, that may not seem like a lot of shares, but in my opinion, when that comes to Tesla shares, that is a lot of shares for Tesla. I don't know how many other places would have that many shares of Tesla, but if there is someone out there that has even more than that, I mean, I'm sure ARK Invest even has a lot more behind this, but they're just trimming some off the top, guys. Now, I've seen a couple other YouTubers talk about this. And guys, if you've never heard of him, Jeremy, Financial Education. He is a big Tesla bull. This guy was covering Tesla back in like 2016 and 17 before any of us was even investing in the stock market. He was telling people that Tesla was going to go to the moon. He covered it for like 2 years and never got any love. 2 to 3 years and never got love. And now all his stuff is up like crazy, guys. He does Tesla videos. And he predicted in one of his videos that Tesla is going to be flat in 2021. So that's coming from someone that is a believer in Tesla, but he believes all of the great things going to happen in 2021 is already priced in. Now, I must say, I have to agree. For a stock to go up 700% and not really have much news behind it, I mean, could you imagine, let's say, you guys know I love Golden Nugget. I'm the biggest bull on Golden Nugget as there is. But could you imagine if Golden Nugget was up 700% for the year? And Golden Nuggets actually had a lot of great news. And I know Tesla has too. You got EV space and gambling space. But is it enough news to get 700% gains? I'm not sure, guys. I mean, I have to sit there and honestly think, is Tesla worth 700% in 1 year? I don't know. But let's go take a look at their actual website. Now, I do think Tesla is the leader in the EV market. Hands down, no question. I do agree with that. You go here, man, and here's the thing. People's not investing in Tesla just for the cars. They have solar panels. They're doing home features. It's their technology and innovation. I love and appreciate it. But I do think at these prices, $700 a share, I don't think I'm buying at these prices. I'm not going to lie. A few months back, when this was back in the 400s, I was thinking about grabbing 1 or 2 shares actually, because at those prices, under 500, I like buying Tesla. But over $500 a share, I'm not much of a fan of buying it over $500 a share. So for me, I would like to get a position in Tesla. Now, only a couple of shares because it's really expensive. But if this thing could take a little dip back in 21 and cool off a little bit, I'll be a glad person to come in here and purchase up some Teslas. As you know, they got the Model S, guys. They got the House. They got the Model 3. They got the Model Y. They got the Model X, as you see here. Beautiful cars. And I must say, honestly, guys, I have seen a lot of these cars in my area, actually. A lot of cars. And actually, I'm going to put some pictures at the end of this video in my little local area at a Sheetz. I don't know if you guys heard of a Sheetz gas station, but I know a man out there, JD, that watches my videos. He lives in Pennsylvania. I live in Maryland. Sheetz is really big. It's a gas station. You guys may have quick trips and things like that in your area. But we actually starting to get Tesla charging stations in our area. So this is the perfect video to put these Tesla charging station pictures in here. So guys, I'm going to put those right here. Hope you enjoyed those pictures. As I said, I like Tesla, but at $700, I don't think I can buy it at $700. So that's why I wanted to put this video out here. And I wanted to just show that Kathy Wood and Art K has been selling Tesla as well, guys. So that is the bear cases on Tesla. What do you all think? Do you all agree, disagree? How is 2021 for Tesla going to look, guys? Is all of the prices already priced in with a 730% gain over 2020? Or is this thing going to keep going? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but I just wanted to put this out here, and we will see what happens as we come back and revisit Tesla. As you know, I don't cover too much EV stuff on my channel, but I thought this is one we needed to bring out here and discuss with ARK selling it and Kathy Wood selling it. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation, guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. Peace.